Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so in today's video, basically, I'm going to show you guys some of the cases that I picked up for Black Friday on Amazon, and I do have them right behind me right there. But before getting into that, if you guys could do me a solid and smash that like button, I would deeply appreciate that, as well as sharing this out so that other people can catch wind of my videos. And if you're new to the channel and you did just subscribe, thank you so much for doing so. I really appreciate it. Also, if you'd like to try out Helium Mobile and get a month free on me, you can do so. But when you sign up, use my promo code. It's in the description. It'll pop here on the screen. And yeah, just that promo code itself will get you your first month for free. So, um, yeah, like I said, I got some Black Friday sales on some cases here. So we're gonna go and open them up one by one. Gotta love Amazon packaging. So this is the first one, and this one is for the Pixel 7a. It's very similar to the case that I already have for my Pixel 8a, so it pretty much is this exact case before the 7a. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. Try to get some. I gotta clear off my desk. I have too many things on here. And as we'll go into the second one. Oh wait, that is the first one. Check this message real quick. Let's do the second one right now. And throw that to the side. This one is for the Galaxy A53. And so the first case that I actually got was for an S20 Fan Edition, which is why some of the buttons didn't line up. So this is the correct case. So I'll put that to the side before I open that one. And then we got this one here. I don't need the blade for that because it's one of those ones that pull tab envelopes. And this one is for my iPhone 12. So we'll take a look at that here in a minute. So this last one here has to be the one for my daughter. She wanted a new case, and so with her allowance, ordered it for her. And it's for the Pixel 6a. It's a clear case. We'll do it that way. Clear case with some nice designs on it. So I'll put that off to the side and give it to her when they come back from the mall. So they went to the mall with their mom. All right, unboxing knife put up to make sure that nobody gets hurt. Nobody's here except me. I'll put that to the side right there. Man, notifications just going off right now. All right, so the first one that I want to check out, let's do the one for the Pixel 7a. Okay, let's see. Let me get my unboxing knife here so I can cut the tape. This knife is pretty sharp, so I do have to be careful. Anyways, all right. So let's pull the tray out for everybody. And the unique thing about this case is it comes with screen protectors. I wonder if I got any stickers in here. So doesn't look like it this time. But anyways, so let's get this case pulled out. There you have it. I like the way it feels. Pixel 7a. Very nice. Very nice. I like that. What do you guys think so far? What do you guys think about this? I like this one. Okay, so I don't see any additional stickers. My Pixel 8a came with stickers when I got the case for that one. Maybe it's under this one here. Hold on. Nope, just screen protectors, which is good. I'll put the screen protector on later. Comes with this little, attention warning thing. So let's put the cornstarch bag back in here. Very weird. It didn't want to go back in all the way, so I'm not sure. There we go. So we got that one taken care of. Next up on my list, let's do the iPhone. This one should be pretty easy. Just, voila. Take it out. And that's the case itself, and we'll take out the little phone. iPhone 12. And boom. there you have it. I think it looks pretty cool. I like cases like this. And it's got a little graphics on the side, so that's nice. Space. All right, last one is the Galaxy A53 case. This one should easily pop open, but it doesn't want to, so I'll use my handy dandy pen here. Pull that tab out so I can keep the box intact in case I need to send it back or anything like that. But there we go. Nice, opened up. And it looks like the case came with a pop socket, so I can give these to my daughters because, you know, it's got hearts and stuff on it. I know they want pop sockets for their stuff. So anyways, here's the case. It's a NASA case. And here's the Galaxy A53. And voila. Fits nicely. Got a nice lip to it and everything. Yeah. So that is it for that case. All right, so that's it for my Black Friday phone cases that I ordered from Amazon. Here you have it right there. I really like, no, not that one, but I really like this one. This case is like pretty awesome. I may look for one for my my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I think they do have one for it. So now that I know what it looks like and everything, I just like the way that the cases are made and the way that the graphics is printed on this one is really awesome. So, and love the fact I like these translucent frosted backs. So you guys can see Pixel 8a, Pixel 7a. So we are good and golden there. Anyways, but that's it for my Black Friday Amazon case purchases. What did you guys pick up for Black Friday? You guys can let me know in the comment section of the video. Smash the like button if you enjoyed today's video. Would deeply appreciate that. And then, yeah, I will talk to you on the next one. Aloha.